Hi there, I'm Daniel. I'm one of the co-founders of TopAds.io, which you can see in the background. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you how it works, what it brings to the creative process, and how you can use it to create better ads through better inspiration. So what is TopAds actually doing? When you go to the ad library, you can see that there are run 7,000 ads in the last 12 months. And you can also see a lot of other data points, especially for EU ads, for example, the reach data because of the European Union transparency. So we can see that this ad has gotten 2,500 reach. You can also see how it distributes into location, age, and gender, and its breakdown. And we can see how it is targeted. This is not that important because most advertisers go for broad targeting nowadays anyway, but through the reach data, we can get insights and also model which ads are performing best. What do I mean by that? If we jump back to top ads, we can just look for icon. And what we are seeing in top ads right now are all of those ads that we saw in the ad library, but sorted by ad spend. So we can see which ads are performing the best all time, with the premise that more ad spend means better performance because you're just spending more when an ad is performing, at least for most of the brands that are going for conversions. Maybe not like big players that are just putting in a budget without any conversion goals or performance goals. But for brands like Icon, we can definitely say, okay, this ad has to be one of the best performing ads in this ad account, at least one of the best performing, if not the best performing, because it has significantly more spent than the second most spending ad. We can also see those data points that I've just shown you in the ad library. So we can see the distribution, but more consumable in a way that it's a graphic. So we can see how it distributes when it comes to age and gender. We can see how it distributes when it comes to country. Also, we can see how the ad spend developed over time and if the ad is running hot or rather declining. And if you so want to, you can also see it broken down into age and gender and smaller brackets, as well as the basic numeric values. So the most important thing that we are doing that the ad library can't and other tools like Foreplay also can't, you know it. As a marketer, you probably are going to certain ad libraries oftentimes to look what are new ads that are that they test that are being run, but you never really know what ads are performing. It's just subjective. So we take this subjectiveness out of the equation and really put an objective layer on it, so you can know what ads are performing well right now and in the past. So you can see those ads right here are all time, but you can also just say, show me ads that are being run in the last 30 days or started in the last 30 days. Just show me ads that are being active. So you can play around with those filters to really get deeper into what is being tested, what is working right now, and how you can get inspiration. And it's not about copying. When, for example, Icon is a competitor of you, it's not about copying, but you can really get a grasp, even if you're a brand in the jewelry space that is also going for a more aesthetic look to it. You can get a grasp of what formats are working right now, what vibe is working right now, what hooks are working, are there more close-ups, what kind of models are working, and so on and so on. And use this inspiration to create better ads. And basically make this process faster, because before you were using the ad library or maybe a tool where you could save certain ads, but now you know what ads are really performing, what ads you can use for inspiration, and what you probably should avoid because others have tested it already and it didn't work. If you so want to, you can of course also get deeper into, let me just delete the filters, into different niches. So if you want to look into fashion and apparel in general, you can see what is performing for them. So now we have some bigger brands like Deichmann. We can just filter them out by filtering out XL brands, and then you can see what is working right now. You can go into the format and just filter around. As well as if there is a brand not in the database right now, you can simply add it, and in 24 hours. The whole brand is inside this tool, so you can look at what ads are working for them right now. And with all of those data points, we can even go one step further and get more insights on the competitor or the brand for that matter, and look for a certain time span, for example, this month. What are they advertising right now? So you can see ad spend data, you can see how the age and gender groups are distributed, as well as, and this is probably the most important report that is being used most by our clients as well, the top landing pages breakdown not only by links as other tools do it, but by reach. So you can really see what collection pages, products, and landing pages, for that matter, are performing well and not just being linked a lot of times. So you can see the sale landing page is linked 72 times. So you could think, okay, this is working for best for them. Yeah, not a really good insight. It's a sale page, but as you can see, the most reach is this collection page is getting the most reach. So you can get really nice insights out of it. You can also click here to open the landing page. There are some more data points that are not that important, but basically, this is the premise of Top Ads. You can get better insight and ad inspiration to create better ads, a better ad strategy, and create ads that perform. Basically, that's it for now.